I'm Miss Yvette.
Hi, I'm Layla. Welcome to
Layla's Lead.
Today we're going to learn about algorithms.
Algorithms? Layla, what do you know about algorithms?
Mommy, algorithms are instructions.
Oh, okay. So you said you want to learn about algorithms. How about we start with a story? You want to hear a story?
Oh, that's okay with me.
All right, very good. Can you pass me that book?
Oh, sure.
So this story, Layla, you paying attention? I'm going to read the story, but I need your help.
Okay, I can do that for you.
What I need you to do is going to have instructions. Ooh. So I want you to do the instructions that I say. Can you do that?
Oh, sure.
All right. So the name of this book is Press Here, and it is by Hervé Toulet. All right.
That's a fancy
very
name.
pretty. That is a fancy name. Look, very pretty.
Oh, it is.
Okay. So the first page says ready. Okay. All right. Wait a minute. Let me read it first. It says press here and turn the page. Okay. Go ahead and turn the page. Very good. Next it says great. Now press the yellow dot again. Okay. Let me turn it. Let's see what happened. Ooh. Perfect. Rub the dot on the left gently. Which one is your left? That's your left? Okay. Very good. Okay. Let's see what happens. Ooh, look at that. Okay. Well done. And now the one on the right gently. What you think is going to happen? You don't know?
I think it's going to turn blue.
Oh, you think it's going to turn blue? Let's see. Oh, Layla was right. It turned blue. Fabulous. Okay, so now what you're going to do, 5 quick taps on the yellow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
You want to see?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It makes a new shape.
Oh, look, it made a vertical line.
Made a new shape.
Yeah, okay. Now listen. It says, and 5 taps on the red.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right.
Let's see what happens.
What do you think's going to happen?
I think it's going to have 5. Oh.
Just like the yellow?
Yes.
All right, let's see. Correct. All right. And finally, 5 taps on the blue.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
It's going to turn the color 5.
Same thing?
Yes.
Let's see, is Layla right? Layla's right. And it says, perfect. Try shaking the book just a little bit. You want to shake it? Is that enough?
Yes. I think
Okay.
so.
All right, let's see what happens.
Oh. Oh.
Look what happened.
It makes a new shape.
Not bad, but maybe a little bit harder. Can you shake it hard?
I can do hard.
You can do hard. All right, let's see what happens. Whoa! You shook some of the circles over here. All right. There. Well done. Not tilt the page to the left, just to see what happens. So which way is left? That's left. Okay.
Now let's see what happens, everybody.
All right. Look at that! Look at that!
I think there's a little bit too much.
You shifted too much. And then to the right, just a little bit more. You tilting it to the right? All right. Let's see.
Wonder
What do you think is going to happen? You think it's going to move?
Yes, and leaning on the right.
Okay, let's see. Check that out. Excellent. All right. So shake the book one more time just to get everything back in order. So how are you going to do it? Which way are you going to do to get it back in order? Like this?
Let's do it this way.
Okay. You're going to do a little bit of both? All right. Let's see what happens.
Let's see what happens.
Okay.
I think it's
look at that. Oh, it did. Interesting. Try pressing down really hard on all the yellow dots. Okay.
Now let's see what happens, everybody. It glows in the dark.
It does. That's funny.
So
Turn the lights back on. Try pressing them all again. So let's turn the lights back on. You got to press them. You forgot one. There you go. You gotta press all the yellow and see what happens.
Oh!
All right, perfect. Hold down. Hold on, Layla. Hold on. Hold on. 2 of those dots seem to have switched places. Oh, wow. But which ones? Now press hard on all the dots really hard. So can you press hard on all the dots really hard? And press on them real hard. You want me to help you?
Yes, you know I don't have that many fingers.
No, Layla, you only have 10 fingers. All right, so let's see what happens.
Thank you.
You think that's enough?
Yes.
All right, let's see what happens.
Mom.
And
that makes the beautifulest thing.
Not bad. Shake them up a little.
Now,
Okay.
I think it's going to make a rainbow.
Well, look at that. Okay.
Now let's
Pretty, isn't it? Like, wait a minute, Layla, look at this. Try blowing on them to get rid of the black. Get rid of the black. Get rid of the black. All right, you ready?
I think it's going to be halfway.
Oh, you didn't blow hard enough, Layla. You gotta blow more. Blow more right up here, Layla. Okay,
That's
let's see what happens. Oops. That may have been too hard. A little bit too hard. Look, wait a minute. It says, stand the book up straight to make those drop down again. So we're going to make those dots drop down again. So we're going to stand the book up straight. Okay?
Not too much.
Not too much. We don't want them to go too low.
Oh.
Voila! All right. So Layla, now it says, there you go. That's perfect. Now clap your hands once. Very good.
Oh.
Whoa! Clap twice.
Everybody.
Uh-oh. Whoa! Ask everybody to clap with you. Clap 3 times.
Everybody.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Whoa!
Humongous.
That is huge.
1,
Wow.
2, 3, 4.
Are we still clapping? Let me see what happened. And they keep getting bigger.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see.
Whoa!
That's the biggest.
You want to clap some more? 2. Come on. You gonna count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everybody.
Look what happened. Layla, look.
It gets so big. Look.
It says, too loud. Quick, press the white dot. Press it. Let's see what happens.
It goes back to normal
Oh,
size.
look at that. Bravo. Want to do it all over again?
Well, yes.
You do? You want to do it again?
Yeah.
All right. And there you go. That's the end of the book. So that was a really good book, and that was called Press Here by Hervé Toulet.
Fancy names.
All right, Layla, that was a really good book, and you followed the instructions very well. Good job, Layla.
Thank you, Mom.
All right.
I want you a kiss.
Oh, I get a kiss. Oh, thank you. All right, I have a few questions for you, okay?
Yes.
All right, I want you to tell me some times that you have had to follow instructions.
You have to follow instructions by my mom all the time.
You have to follow instructions with your mom. This is true. So tell me something that you have done that you had to follow instructions when doing it.
I have to help my mom cook, and I have to follow the recipes.
Oh, very good. That's a very good example. You have to follow the instructions on the recipe. Good. So tell me, what happens if you don't follow the instructions correctly?
I won't get it, and I will make the food taste bad.
Oh, the food could possibly taste bad. So how can you fix it?
By following the recipe.
So if you mess up, you can go back to the recipe.
Yes.
Okay.
Just in case we made a mistake.
Okay, very good, Layla. Did you know the same way we follow instructions doing other things in life, that's the same thing that applies when we want to put programs into a computer?
Like you're teaching, Mom?
Like when I'm teaching, yes, Layla. So when we want to put programs into the computer for it to do things, they have to follow instructions.
By the computer person.
By the computer person or the programmer. Can you say the programmer?
programmer helps the computer understand what them are saying.
Very good. So
them can really communicate by talking.
Very good, Layla. So what you have to do is we have to make sure, thank you, Layla. We have to make sure that our instructions are in a certain order or sequence so that the computer will know what to do. And we call that a algorithm.
Yes, but what if somebody don't know how to spell it? So maybe but if the mom and dad aren't there, I think they will do it by themselves, but then it will think you want a cupcake.
Layla, you make a good point. So what happens if you don't spell it right when you put it into the computer? You know what happens? You get an error. Okay? So that's what happens, but just like in cooking, you can always go back and look at your instructions. Very good, Layla. High five. All right, Layla, you are doing amazing today. All right.
Thank you, Mom.
All right, so let's see what we've done so far. We read a story that you had to follow instructions. That was good. We like that story. We also just answered questions about how we follow instructions, but also computers need instructions. And we talked about those computers. When they get those instructions, they're in a sequence, which we call an algorithm. And that's how they perform tasks. So, Layla, would you like to play a game?
Yes, please.
Okay, so we're going to play a game. And the way we're going to play this game, one of us is going to be the computer.
Oh.
And one of us is going to be the programmer.
So the
Ooh.
catch a tiger by his toe. If it hollers, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
All right, so which one am I? Am I going to be the computer or am I going to be the programmer?
The programmer.
Oh, okay, I'm going to be the programmer. All right, so what we have here is we have 2 bags, and inside of the bags we have Legos. Okay, so I'm going to put Layla's right here, and I'm going to put mine here. Now, what we're going to do, although you're going to kind of be able to see a little bit because you guys can see, but we can't see. We are going to now have to, you're going to move yours up a little bit. We are going to have to create something where I am the programmer, right?
Yes.
And you are the computer.
Yes.
Okay, so what's going to happen, I am going to create my steps, and we're going to see if Layla understands my steps, and she's going to try to create the same thing that I'm trying to create, okay? So this is what we're going to do, all right? So listen up, Layla. So do you have all your pieces out? Take all your pieces out your bag.
Okay.
Okay. And first, let's make sure we have the same pieces, okay?
I have 3 reds, 3 yellows, and also 2 blues.
Alright, so you have 3 reds, and I have 3 reds. You have 2 yellows. Mom, I have 2 yellows, Mom, and you have 3 blues, okay?
No, I said 2 blues.
Oh, 2 blues. I had 2 blues. I had 2 blues. It was my mistake, okay? Yeah. So now what we're going to do now, you're going to listen to the instructions. Are you going to be able to do this?
Yes.
Now, do I need to put something in front of the screen so you can't see it? Right here? Or are you not going to look? You're going to look down at your... Okay, you look at your blocks, okay? Alright, so instruction or step number 1. We are going to take your reds and you are going to line them up, and then you're going to put your blues on top of your reds, but you're going to put them across. Okay, so you're going to put them in the opposite direction. Okay, so your reds are on the bottom, your blues are on the top. That was step number 1. So you're going to put your reds across the top of you're going to put your blues across the top of your reds in the opposite direction.
Mom, you should be yelling it out.
It's okay, Layla. You go ahead and do it on your side and put it together.
Okay, thank you.
And drop your piece. Okay, you got it? So you can put your blues on top of your red. Okay, and then you should be able to lift it up. And tell me when you're ready. And this is the same thing that you can do at home, okay? So what you can do at home, don't show me. What you can do at home, you can have your two people to play, your computer and your programmer, so that they're back to back, so then they can't see and they have to follow their instructions, okay? So the next thing we're going to do, Layla, we're now going to take your yellow, and we're going to put your yellow on top of your blue, and you're going to also put it in an opposite direction, and you should be able to lift the whole thing up.
Oops, a piece.
You dropped the piece? Let me see. Can I get it? I got it. Okay, there you go.
Thank you.
Okay. So now you should have one solid piece, and then you should have one piece left over, okay?
Yes. What are we going to do with it?
So now what I want you to do, I want you to now take that piece
And put it on the top?
I want you to put it on top of the yellow, in the front, in the middle. So you're going to put it across the yellow, in the front, in the middle. All right, put it down, put it down, put it down. All right, so now we're going to see if our task was successful or if we have an error, okay? So I'm the programmer, right?
Yes.
So it was my job to give instructions
To the computer.
Okay? So are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
So now let's see. Whoa. All right, let's do a comparison. Oopsie. All right. Yeah, okay. But whose fault was that? It was the programmer's fault because my instructions weren't clear.
You were supposed to say your other middle.
Oh, and see, sometimes that happens sometimes that happens because you may have thought this one was supposed to be in front or closer to you, where I thought it was in front closer to the camera. So this is a good example of how we have to really, really listen to our instructions.
Yeah.
And it's really important when we are putting programs into the computer. But how can we fix this?
Oh, let's redo it.
There you go, Layla. Very good job. All right, so this is a activity that you could do to help with our little learners to actually learn how to listen and follow instructions, and then you can reverse. So now next time, Layla can be the programmer, and then I could be the computer, and then Layla would give me instructions. And if you wanted to make it more difficult for older kids, yeah, you could put different pieces in. So maybe the pieces that they have extra pieces. So the item that you're building, you may not just say yellow. It may actually be a different size, or it could be a different piece, so that will also have them to actually tune in a little bit more so that they can listen to the directions and the instructions, because we understand that when we're talking about programs or creating sequential instructions for a computer, it has to be exact, or you'll get an error and it will not work. So I hope you enjoyed this game, and I hope you would enjoy playing this game at home.